Leetcode problem today. Today we are going to solve the Leetcode problem number 18 for sum. We are giving an array nums of n integers, return an array of all the unique quadruplets. So the nums a, b, c, d such that so a, b, and c, d less than n and more than and equal than 0, a, b, c, d are distinct. As we know, the a, b, and c, d are the indexes, so they are distinct. Yeah, and this is easy to understand. And the nums a, b, c, and d equals to target, and you may return the answer in any order. And here is also that all the unique quadruplets. It is similar to 3-sum. 3-sum is equal to 0. Here is a target, so there's no difference. So basically, I will use the method from 3-sum, only change a little bit. Now let's just do it. I use a set to put all the values inside, and I will use n to check the length of the array nums. And here, first of all, as 3-sum, I will sort it, and then for I in raise n, for z in raise I plus 1 to n, and from here we can use our left pointer and right pointer. So the left pointer will be z plus 1 and r pointer will be n minus 1. So from here we can just use two pointers to solve the problem while L less than R, and here we will have a 4 if 4 equals target or not. So 4 is basically the sum of all the numbers inside. It is the nums I, nums Z, nums L, and nums R. After we get the value of 4, it's the 4 of them. Yeah. Now we need to check if 4 is less than target or more than target. If 4 is less than target, we should move from the left side, L should plus 1. And if 4 more than target, so the R should minus 1 to find the value. Else, the S should add the tuple inside. The tuple are those 4 values. Let's see if add inside. After add inside, similarly, we should shift L to the right and R to the left. After finishing all this, I think we can return the result as. Now let's check it if it works. Oh, what is that? The unindented. Oh, so let me put it here. So yeah, it seems there are some unindented errors. So for the Python, you have to check if the indent is okay or not. Yeah, if there is some titles, it might be get the error. So here we will make this kind of indent. Now let me check it again to check if the indent is okay or not. Yeah, so the parenthesis doesn't match. Yeah, we don't need the square bracket. This one, I copied one more, and it's also a typo when you copy something. Now let me check it. Yeah, it is a little bit slow, are indented. So what a lot of are indented issues. Yeah, I must make it 3. Let's check. So from here already have the problem. Cannot unpack non-iterable object. Yes, S I didn't define S. It should be a set inside. Now I think we have no syntax errors or typos. Yeah, it is okay. Now let's submit it to check if there's any other failing cases. Now it seems okay. But what about the time complexity? The time complexity, as you can see, it is very slow. We can speed up a little bit. Let's see if we can speed up like that. But before that, we need to analyze the time complexity. So this is O n log n nums.sort. And here is one loop, the second loop, the third loop. It is O n cubic. And let's check the length of n. It is 200, so the cubic of 200 is not so big. It is 6 million. It is not so big. Yeah, if a number is less than 10 to the power of 7 for the time complexity for Leetcode problems, it is always okay. So even this is cubic, it is still okay because the length is only 200. And now let's just speed up a little bit. As I explained in 3-sum, we can speed up like that. We can have a if tag. If I more than 1, more than 0, and nums I equals to nums I minus 1. Let's continue. Yeah, similarly here, we can also have a tag. Here will be also the same if j more than, so here I plus 1. Yeah, because here I is 0, so we need to start from the 0. Here start from I minus plus 1, so here we'll say more than I plus 1. And if nums j equals to nums j minus 1, let's continue again. Continue again. Now let's run it to check if it works. Yeah, it seems okay. The speed, let's say the submit, if it can speed up, yeah, a little bit. So for this kind of continue, it is very helpful to, yeah, speed up the algorithm a little bit. But the time complexity is still O(n) squared. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and I will upload more Leetcode problems like that. Thank you.